Stayed out there. Courtney Brown, yeah. Courtney Brown said they want their son to ride with me. Yeah, Courtney, where y'all at?
Damn motherfucker, get it tonight.
What you eating? Blackjack. He ain't in blackjack, y'all. He ain't bring blackjack out here, man. He ain't finna start no shit.
Bet 20.
Hey, y'all.
No.
Y'all think blackjack brought this car?
I give you 60 to 20. I'm out here in the night. Is that a bet?
No, I don't
Scared,
want it.
motherfucker.
Shane,
Up then.
ice cream truck. He want to do 60 to 20.
What?
Yeah, I need to get paid. You ready to pay this?
What's the emergency?
Oh.
Hey, hey, we donate nothing to him. We donate.
I ain't hear him shout me out on the side. Yeah, appreciate that shout out on the PA. Hey y'all, this my homeboy right here, y'all. That's my homeboy. That's my homeboy right here too, man. Back up then, ice cream truck. The hell is that? A hanger came off the back of that one?
I got it.
What, he drop a hanger? Hey, Mita, it's my YouTube channel, man. Miss, you on there? You don't do YouTube? Oh, you subscribe already? Okay. He couldn't even figure out which lie he wanted to use. Lying ass. All right, look out, man. That's my YouTube channel. Oh, you got one? Mira. Oh, okay. You got one? Yeah, appreciate it.
Got a lot.
My question is, how did it go from 400 to 200?
It's bad.
Crackhead Johnny, I don't know. Have I ever been to Little River? Yeah, I've been there a couple times. I flew the drone. Wayne's World say I went from 3.4 to 800 in less than 10 seconds. That's nuts. People love the stickers. Yeah. It's at 200 now. Wayne's World, you on my YouTube channel? Yeah, I go to Ennis. I got videos of Ennis too, man. Y'all check out my YouTube channel. We got 488 people in the chat and about 8 people chatting now. About 80. Where they said, somebody said, is this legal? Yeah, it's halfway legal. Okay, y'all, we on 480 and climbing. Got 66%. I got a person, I had to pay a Kangas, I had to pay about $30 more to get the art done. They still ain't finished. We need to figure out oh, you know what? No. Where's Cox? I need to figure out when the next event is. Let me see. What was that? Joseph. We got Joseph just came from TikTok and Anthony. Joseph and Anthony, that's my dad's name and my uncle's name, and both of y'all just came from TikTok. Appreciate y'all. Big N Real just sent me some fire, y'all, on TikTok. I sure appreciate it. Have I seen any fast trucks? Yeah.
Oklahoma to school. I'm racing the dude with Oklahoma license plate.
Oh yeah. Okay, bet. We're gonna. Hey, Oklahoma versus Texas coming up. Where y'all at right here? TikTok bet with the right line. Ramos with the 5.0. Yodi, Yodi. Yeah. Crackhead Johnny, why is getting lower, Crackhead Johnny? Carson Claiborne, left one, right red lighted. This is my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel. $441 watches, 190 likes. I wonder what them other 200 people be thinking when they be watching it. Cause like really, I feel like I only getting whatever likes I get while the video going. Whatever likes I get while the video going, them pretty much that's where it stay at. Like say if I make this video live right now, and you see how we struggling, we got almost 500 people watching. And you know, people that came in, left. This ain't the same 400 that it started with, and so it should be more since more people actually than came in. And let me see how else I'm gonna explain that. Oh yeah, so boom, say we get it up to 236 likes by the night. When I check tomorrow, the video will have 4,856 views and 252 likes. Like, what the fuck? 5 more thousand people.